If you own a 2019 or 2020 Honda CR-V and notice water stains or musty smells inside, you're not alone. This is a common issue caused by a failed windshield seal, letting water leak into your car. Today, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it yourself. No fancy tools or experience needed. We'll cover the best DIY fixes and how to spot early warning signs. No more musty smells or water stains, just a dry, worry-free CR-V. Let's get started and make your car watertight again. Let's clear up some confusion and set the record straight about how Honda actually responded to this windshield leak issue. First off, there was no recall, meaning Honda wasn't required to fix every affected car for free, and owners didn't get an official notice in the mail. It also wasn't a technical service bulletin, or TSB, which would have given dealers a set repair procedure and clear instructions to follow. Instead, Honda quietly sent an internal message to its dealers, asking them to collect information from any owners who reported leaks. Dealers were told to document each case, take photos of the problem, and report all the details back to Honda for their records. This was just data gathering, not a repair order or a promise to fix anything, so if you went to a dealer, their response could vary a lot depending on the location, the staff, and your warranty status. Some might offer a goodwill repair if you're still under warranty or have a good relationship with the dealership, but many won't cover it for free, especially if your warranty has expired or you're not a regular customer. Without a recall or TSB, there's no guarantee of a free fix, and you might be left paying out of pocket. That's why many owners felt frustrated or got different answers from different dealers, leading to a lot of confusion. If you're out of warranty, expect to pay for diagnostics and repairs, sometimes with no clear solution offered. The internal message simply put the issue on Honda's radar, but left the solution up to each individual dealer's discretion. Bottom line, don't expect a free fix just because Honda knows about the problem since there's no official program in place. Knowing this helps you set realistic expectations at the dealership and plan your next steps. That's why DIY solutions are so important for this issue, especially if you want to avoid high repair bills. Let's look at what actually works, so you can take control of the situation. Dealer responses to this leak have been all over the map. If you're still under the basic warranty, some dealers will remove and reseal the windshield for free, the best fix. But if you're out of warranty, you might get quoted hundreds just for diagnosis, and up to $1,500 for a full replacement. Some dealers try a quick bead of silicone on the outside, but that's just a temporary band-aid. It doesn't fix the real problem, a gap in the main urethane seal. Over time, that patch fails and the leak returns. With no official recall, you're often left paying out of pocket or stuck with a poor repair. That's why many owners turn to DIY fixes. They're cheaper and often more reliable. Let's focus on what you can do yourself. The best fix targets the windshield seal directly. For most, a flowable silicone sealant is the easiest and cheapest solution. First, find the leak using the soapy water test. Spray soapy water on the outside, blow compressed air from inside, and look for bubbles. Mark the spot, clean it with alcohol, and apply the flowable silicone into the channel between the glass and body. Let it cure. Done. For bigger or multiple leaks, a full windshield removal and reseal may be needed. This is more advanced, but a Mobile Glass Pro can do it for less than a dealer. Most leaks are small and can be fixed with the flowable sealant. This method is quick, effective, and saves you hundreds. Let's move on to another possible cause: clogged cowl drains. Sometimes water on the passenger floor isn't from the windshield, it's clogged cowl drains. The cowl, at the base of your windshield, channels rainwater away from the cabin. If the drains clog with leaves or debris, water pools up and can leak into your HVAC system and onto the floor. To fix it, open the hood, remove the cowl cover, careful with the clips, and clear out all debris. Check the drain holes in the corners. Pour water to test flow. If clogged, use a flexible wire or trimmer line to clear the tube, then flush with water. Do this on both sides. Keeping these drains clear is easy and prevents most non-windshield leaks. Always check this before tackling the windshield. It's a simple, free fix that can save you a lot of hassle. Now let's hear from owners and pros who've solved this problem. When it comes to windshield leaks, real-world advice from those who've been there is absolutely gold. There's no substitute for the practical wisdom that comes from experience. both from seasoned mechanics and everyday car owners. Many owners have tackled leaks themselves using a simple $20 tube of flowable silicone and just 15 minutes of their time. It's a quick, affordable fix that often saves you from a costly $1,200 windshield replacement. This DIY approach is empowering and surprisingly effective for minor leaks. According to independent glass professionals, most leaks are caused by tiny gaps or voids at the top center or corners of the windshield, rather than a defect in the glass itself. These small problem areas are easy to overlook but make a big difference. If a simple patch doesn't solve the issue, the professional solution is to properly prep and reseal the windshield using high-quality urethane adhesive. This ensures a long-lasting watertight seal and is the method trusted by experts. If your leak started after a windshield replacement, it's possible the installer skipped crucial prep steps. The good news? Most reputable shops will fix this under warranty, so don't hesitate to ask for a repair. Prevention is just as important as repair. Make it a habit to clear leaves and debris from the cowl area every time you wash your car. This simple step keeps water flowing away from your windshield seals. Keeping this area clean prevents most leaks that aren't related to the seal itself, saving you headaches down the road. Mechanics and owners alike agree, a little regular maintenance goes a long way toward keeping your car dry and trouble-free. Don't ignore a leak, even if it seems minor. Fixing it early can prevent much bigger problems like mold, rust, or electrical issues inside your car. DIY fixes are not only effective and affordable, but they're also satisfying. There's a real sense of accomplishment in solving the problem yourself. If you're ever unsure or the leak persists, reputable auto glass shops are there to help. They can diagnose tricky leaks and often guarantee their work, giving you peace of mind. Don't forget to tap into the collective knowledge online. Learning from others' experiences can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Now let's put all this wisdom together with a clear, step-by-step plan. With the right knowledge and a little effort, you've absolutely got this. Here's your quick action plan to fix a CRV water leak. First, find the source water on the floor. Check and clear cowl drains. Water at the headliner or A-pillar. Suspect the windshield seal. Use the soapy water and compressed air test to pinpoint the leak. Mark the spot, clean with alcohol, and apply flowable silicone sealant. Let it cure fully. For bigger leaks or failed sealant, consider a full reseal, DIY or with a Mobile Glass Pro. Always check for previous windshield replacements. If so, contact the installer for warranty repair. Keep cowl drains clear as regular maintenance. These steps address the root cause and prevent future leaks. You'll save money, avoid dealership runaround, and get the satisfaction of a job well done. If this guide helped, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. All tools and parts are linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your CRV. See you next time.